Rizonesoft Office, a free office alternative for Windows. Rizonesoft Office is a free office suite that can do many things, such as create and edit documents with Verbum, the powerful word processor. You can format your text, insert images, tables, and hyperlinks, and save your documents in various formats, including Microsoft Word and OpenOffice. Analyze and organize data with Evaluate, the versatile spreadsheet program. You can perform calculations, create custom formulas, and make charts and graphs to visualize your data. Files with Scholar, the intuitive PDF viewer. You can zoom in, rotate, and search text in your PDFs. You can also edit PDFs in the future, as this feature is coming soon. Back up your folders, apps, settings, and credentials to OneDrive or an external drive with Windows Backup. You can also restore your backup to any Windows 11 device if you need to recover your data or transfer it to a new device. Work seamlessly with other Office suites, as Rizonesoft Office supports a wide range of file formats, including Microsoft Office and OpenOffice. These are some of the things that Rizonesoft Office can do. You can learn more about this Office suite from https://www.rizonesoft.com/download/rizonesoft-office.